family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are here once again, and Eagle Eye Angle is all about local food. So if you're a new member to our channel, we say welcome. If you're a member, we say thank you for the good job that you have been doing for us. In today's video, we are going to show you guys how to use aguzi or akatwa in our local language to prepare your delicious soup in your home. So please guys, take your seat and sit at the corner. Then I'll be back to introduce the ingredients. Hello guys, welcome back again. So we are here to introduce our ingredients, then we start cooking. Here I have my different kinds of meat which I'll be using to prepare my soup, my guzi soup. So I have my different kinds of meat. Today I'm not going to use only one meat to prepare my soup. So I have different kinds of meat. Then I also have my smoked tilapia and then the tuna, which I'll be adding to the meat to prepare my soup. So I have my tomato paste, which I'll be using. Then I also have my shrimp powder as my ingredients for the steaming of the meat. Then I have my onions, nicely washed. Then I have pepper, which I'll be using. Then I also have my ginger and then garlic. Then I have my tomatoes, big sizes 3, which I'll be using. Then I have turmeric powder, then ojiaware powder. I have my turmeric ojiaware powder here. Then the turmeric powder, which I'll be using to steam my meat. So I have my guzi or akatwa here for the soup. In all, we are going to enjoy the soup with rice ball, which we have mutuo. So I have my rice here, which I'll be using for my mutuo today. So please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, then you also give the video thumb up. We love you guys. Let's start the cooking, then at the end you like it. So at this point our pot is hot, so we are going to pour our guzi into it, then we roast it. This method is the same as the melon seed own. So you need not to leave it on fire and go somewhere. You have to sit by it and monitor it. You turn it, you roast it till you hear the sound before you take it off from the fire. You can decide not to roast it. You can just blend it like that and use it. But I want to roast my own before I use it. Now our guzi is ready, so I'm going to take it off from the fire. You pour it and spread it like this for it to cool down before you continue, or you pound it or you blend it. Now we've washed our aguzi and then we put it inside our blender. So we are going to blend it, to wash it nicely, and it's nicely washed. So now we are going to blend it. So please guys, let's blend it now. And if you don't have blender, you can pound it and use it. But now, today we have blender to use it. So we are going to blend it and use it. So let's blend the aguzi and then continue the soup. So now done with our blending of agusi. So we can add it to the meat direct because we've added the salt to the meat. So you have to boil it aside. You have to put it on fire for it to boil small before you add it to your meat that is on fire. So we are boiling it here to add it to the meat. So we have to leave it like this for it to boil before we add it. If you add it direct, it will make lamb. We don't like it in that way. It will make like stew, and we are preparing soup, not stew. So we've added the salt to the meat. Because of that, we have to boil it small before we add it to our meat to make our soup. Now it's ready, so I'm going to take it off from the fire. Then I add it to the meat. Hello guys, at this point I'm going to steam my meat. So I'm going to transfer it into my pot. It's nicely washed. I've already washed it, so I'm going to transfer it into my pot. Then I'll go and put it on fire. Then the soup is on the way. Hello guys, at this moment we are to blend our ingredients and use it to steam our meat. So I'm going to put it on my blender and blend it. At this point we are going to steam our meat, so we have to add our ingredients to it to steam it. So I'm going to add my onion, then my shrimp powder, then my blended ingredients. So onion, chop onions, blended ingredients, shrimp powder, salt to give us taste, ojaware powder, so now fire. So now I'm going to steam my vegetables before I'll blend it and add it to my soup. Now our vegetables are ready, so we have to take it off from the fire and blend it. Now I'm going to add my blended vegetables to the meat. Add our tomato paste to it. Add our tomato paste to it. Then we are adding very soon our soup will be ready. I'm adding my smoked fish to it. Wow. Very soon our soup will be ready. It won't take long time again. It's getting ready. Hello guys, at this point I've put my water on fire. First we are going to prepare rice balls, so we have to put our water on fire. When it boils, then we add our rice to it to cook the rice. Then after that we turn it to rice balls. So now our water is on fire. Now we'll leave it on. When it boils, then we add rice to it. Now my water is ready. So I'm going to add my rice to it. Now our rice is ready. So we are molding for the rice ball. So you have to turn it. You stir it till it becomes soft to your like. Then you mold it. So we are on the process. This is how you do it. You have to turn it like this. You stir to your like. Then you mold it. Okay. So now the rice ball is ready. The rice ball is there. Wow. My soup is ready. So you can see how the color is, and it's very nice and attractive. So let me taste it. So I have to take it from the fire. Hello viewers, now our food is ready. Our emutio is ready, and then our akatua soup is ready, which is aguzi soup is ready. So I'm about to serve. Then my auntie and I are going to enjoy it. Today my family members are not around. Consumers Association, they are not around today. So it's only my auntie and I that are going to enjoy it for you guys. So please guys, I know you guys can never join me here because you are at somewhere else. So please, if you know you will join me, just leave your comments at the comment section so that we'll direct you where our location is. Then you come and join us so that we consume the food, because local food is nice, local food is delicious, local food is healthy. So please guys, let's serve. What is soup? Wow. Here we are to serve. afternoon. It's good to eat natural without adding anything to it. I'm enjoying it, Papa. The food is very nice and very delicious. Maybe someone may think I'm the one who cook it. That's why I'm giving myself that. Oh, I'm motivating myself that it's very nice and very. No, the food is very nice and good, tasty. Please try this kind of food in your houses, because a lot of people use agusi or akatua for stew. It's not only meant for stew. You can use it to prepare your soup. So please guys, follow the procedures to prepare this kind of soup in your house and see how it tastes. It's very healthy and it's very delicious and it's very I love it. And you can even see how the color is. It's very attractive. So please try this. Oh. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe. Oh, we are still on. Hello guys, as you can see, we are still consuming our food and we are almost done of consuming it. So we love it. Try this and see how it is. We've consumed everything. It's left a small one bit. So we'll finish consuming it right now.
It's a vision queen dear. A demufua. Quane bo. Quane the papa. I didn't know they sing. I didn't be a day. Mommy, they're going to anything.
Follow the procedures. You see how I've done it. It's very simple.
I share for this lemon, mon share, namun subscribe, namun share, namun like in my.
Hello guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share the video, give the video thumb up. Please like, subscribe for us so that any video that we just drop, you'll be the first person to get a notification. So like the video, subscribe for us. Eagle Eye Angle, don't forget to subscribe.